This is what it looks like to shoot content with Two Horn Productions. We have the absolute privilege of partnering with CSK Advertising to revamp the marketing efforts for the incredible team at Monroeville Kia, and I can't wait to show some of the wild and exciting work we are doing together. We started with an interior fly-through and B-roll in the showroom to lay the foundation with high-quality footage of genuine interactions between customers and staff. That B-roll and drone footage of their interior and exterior would give us material to complement footage captured into the future. So we coordinated with crew, staff, customers, family, and friends to whip a drone around the showroom in and out of vehicle windows to get one continuous shot. You can see the full drone shot on Monroeville Kia's YouTube channel, and please like, subscribe, turn on notifications while you're there. There's more awesome stuff coming. We have a shoot once a month where we're going further into specific campaigns and creative concepts and coming out with content to post every single day of the month. This is something we have been developing for a long time. We call it 24/30. In the name, 24 means single day on site, and 30 stands for 30 days of content. Go to twohorn.com/2430. That's TWOHORN.com/2430 for more about what you get in that package. We started off this shoot with a behind-the-scenes walkthrough with General Manager Jeff Iwanowski visiting the various departments at Monroeville Kia. You can see the full walkthrough on their YouTube channel, but you can tell everyone is already hard at work first thing in the morning. This is totally unscripted, but let me just say the team does not take their foot off the gas until the day is over. After that, we jumped straight into trade-in talk, which is where Jeff and Finance Director Irvin Kruger look at a vehicle trade-in and talk about how they go about determining its value. It's not only interesting to hear about how they come up with a number, but it's open and honest and another great quality in a car dealership. After that, we went straight into our broadcast commercial lifestyle footage that coincides with the banner artwork that Chelsea is doing for their website and taking full advantage of their marketing efforts with the sales that they want to promote. Thank you to Miranda and Jamie for an incredible job as our talent. Our creative concept for August was summer grilling, so of course Chelsea had something up her sleeve. This time we had Chef Jeff in the lot bringing the heat, and we had to include the service department. They were a little confused about why there was a barbecue grill in the service lane, but they'll see pretty soon. While we were up there, we were capturing some great footage of the guys hard at work and a wacky skit about a time traveler who comes back from the future to get his maintenance done. Please go see that reel. Pretty funny. Then we ended the day with an interview talking to Bobby, an awesome sales consultant. So as you can see, these guys work incredibly hard even on a Friday, and they have a great working relationship, so they're not afraid to poke a little fun.
I don't know why they're always asking him questions out there. He doesn't know half of what he's doing.
Yeah, but he looks the part, and he's using his hands a lot. So you can see that he talks with his hands.
He does.
For the level, let's start that one over.
It's always the new guy that gets on camera.
It is. It's the blue eyes. It has to be the blue eyes.
He is good looking.
He is.
Even in shorts.
Strong chin, nice
chin,
blue eyes.
nice. And he's got a really nice beard too. And he just got a haircut.
But definitely not the brightest crayon.
No, not the sharpest knife in the drawer.
No, not at all.
I talked to Bobby. He does know what he's doing. He's actually incredible. So really good to get to know these guys, and you can get to know them too. Just follow them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, and it would mean the world to me if you would show them a little love. Not only should I shout out Monroeville Kia and their incredible team, CSK Advertising, for making what we do the most possible value for your money in the way that they're able to promote it online. The artwork that Chelsea's working on behind the scenes is web banners, ads for vehicles, hitting that target market. This is all custom content catered to exactly your specific needs, reaching the right people in the right way in your market and turning those views into conversions. Okay, should I do something goofy? Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm done. I'm done here.